Hello my dear learners, welcome to my channel. In this video series, you will learn the Java programming language with a practical demonstration. In this video, we will learn Java operators, especially with the bitwise operator. So without wasting more time, let's learn the Java operators. So here I have opened the theory material for the Java operator. So there are total 8 type of operators available in the Java. It's arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment decrement operators, bitwise operators, conditional or you can say a ternary operator and a instance of operator. And in the arithmetic operator there are multiplication, division, modulus, addition and subtraction. My dear friends, this modulus operator will return you the remainder, right? And in the relational operator we have less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to and a not equal to operator as a relational operator. So you can compare two or more values with the relational operator using these less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to operators. Then we have the logical operator. Logical operator has 3 types: and logical, logical or, and logical not. So there are 3 logical operator: and, or and not. So this and operator will work like if you have more than one condition, and if one condition is false, then the expression will be false. It means it need all the condition true. And as an logical or operator, you can say like in the logical or operator, if you have given more than one condition, and if one condition is true, then the whole expression will be true. And in the logical and operator, if one condition is false, then all expression will be false. So these all are the logical and operator and logical or operator. Here I have given the truth table also to understand the logical and, or and not operator. You can pause my video and learn this truth table, and if you have any doubt you can comment me, right? So these all are the assignment operator: equal assigned, plus and assigned, minus and assigned, multiplication and assigned, divide and assigned, and modulo and assigned. So this assignment operator we have plus equal to, minus equal to, into equal to, divide equal to and modulus equal to. Let's say for example, I am just giving you some example to understand the assignment operator. Say for example, we have a variable c equal to 10 and b equal to 20. So now what I am doing is, I am just writing c equal to c plus b, means the value of c and b will be added to the and assigned to the c. So it is the same like as a c plus equal to b. If you write c plus equal to b, this is also give you the addition of two value. So these both expression give you the same output. And we have the increment decrement operator. Increment have 2 type, decrement have 2 type. It's called a prefix and postfix. So in the prefix operator, the value is incremented first and then applied, right? As a bitwise operator, it is, my dear friends, bitwise operator is very important to understand. So bitwise operator is work on the bit that we have given. So if you provide an integer value, then there is also you can convert to a bit value. What are the operator? Bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise nor, bitwise left right, left shift, right shift, assigned shift right, and bitwise complement. These all are the bitwise operator. So in this video, what I am going to do is, I am going to give you the practical demonstration of the bitwise operator first. Here what I am doing is, I am just creating a file. In that file I am writing the Java code. Say for example, class bitwise operator. This is what my class name is. And now what I am doing is, I have just created a class and copied the class name, and I am saving the file in the D drive Java folder. Say for example, bitwise operator.java. So my file name is bitwise operator.java. In that class I am writing the main method, public static void main. It is the starting point of your program execution. So now let me just compile it first, Java C bitwise operator.java, and run it Java bitwise operator. Okay, it's okay now. So our program is compiled and run. In that main method, what I am writing is, I am just creating a variable, say for example integer number equal to 10, integer number 2 equal to 8. Now what I am going to do is, I am just want to print the value first. Say for example system.out.println, and in that bracket I just want to print the binary value of 10. Say for example I just want to print the binary value of 10. So 10 is the value assigned to the number 1 variable. So if I want the binary value of the particular value, so I will write integer dot to binary string. To binary string is the method. This method will return the binary value of the given number, and it is the method of the integer class. Integer is a wrapper class. Let's compile it. And okay, so I have the error. Say for example, let me just change the, okay, so I have compiled it now and run it now. In the output we have the binary value of 10. It's a 1010. Say for example, you can see in the output. As an output, we are getting 1010 as an output, right? So 1010 is a binary value of 10. Now I am just printing the binary value of number 8, that is in the number 2 variable. So I have printed with 2 binary string number 2. It will give us the binary value of 8, 1000. I am just copying the code and paste it over here. Now I am just, what I am printing is, I am printing both number 1 and number 2 binary. So number 1, binary of number 1 is 1010, now binary of number 2 is 1000. So now I just want to provide the formatted output. So I am writing the string over here, and what I will do is, I will concat with the plus operator. So what I am writing is, I am writing modulus f modulus 7s and modulus minus 4d, and I am just providing the slash n over there. So it will be printed in the new line. As a first access specifier, we have given minus 7s. So I am just change the println to printf now. Printf is also a method of the Java for the printing purpose. So I am just providing the first number 1 equal to first value, comma, for the modulo minus 4d, I am just providing the value, say for example number 1, and for the modulus 7s we have provided the binary value of the particular number. So now what I am doing is, I just want to print it out first, compile it, run it. Say for example number 1 equal to 10 and the binary value of 1010. Now what I am doing is, I am just copy the line number 6 to line number 7 and changing the variable name from number 1 to number 2. So let me compile it and run it. We have the number 2 equal to, sorry, there will be a number 2 as a static string. So number 2 equal to 8, and the binary value of 8 will be 1000. That is printed by that 2 binary string method. Now what we are going to do is, we are just going to perform that operator, bitwise AND, bitwise OR, and that's all. So what I am doing is, I am just providing the static value first. Say for example AND operator equal to number, there will be a process number 1 and number 2. So this is what we are going to do is a bitwise AND operator, and in that two string we also need to change the number 1 and number 2. So there is a, we have used the bitwise AND operator between number 1 and number 2 value, right? So let's compile it with the javac bitwise operator.java and run with the java bitwise operator. In the output we have AND equal to 1 0 0 0. So this is the AND value of the number 1 and number 2. So we have I have given the demonstration of bitwise AND operator till now. Let's go ahead. I am just copying the line number 9 to line number 10, and I am just providing the bitwise OR operator. So if we process the OR operator between two variables, so now let's have the output first and compile the file and run the file. We have the OR value of the, say for example, I am just need to change the static string over there, OR equal to number 1 or number 2, and we have also printed the binary value also. So in the line number 11, I am just working on the bitwise XOR operator. Say for example, here what I am doing is I am just providing the static value XOR equal to number 1 XOR number 2, and I am just providing the binary value of the XOR also. So just change it to the XOR. So save the file and compile the file and run the file. We will have the XOR value of the number 1 and number 2. Now I am working on the bitwise left shift and bitwise right shift operator. Let me just give you the demonstration for the left shift and right shift now. So let me just work on the code. What I am doing is I am just copying the line and paste it over here, and what I am doing is I am just going to do the bitwise left shift operator. So I will provide the value, say for example, I will change over here also. Say for example, number 1 left shift to 2, say for example. So the bit value of the number 1 will be left shifted to 2. Let's say for example, let me give you a basic example of the bitwise left shift operator equal to the left shifted value, and then we have printed the binary value also. So for the understanding purpose, let's have an output first. We have compiled the file and we have run the file. As in the output we have the bitwise left shift equal to 40 and the binary value of the 40. So these 10 value will be shifted by left side from 2 bit. Say for example, let me just understand you using one example in the notepad. I am just writing, say for example, 1 1 1 0 1 0. Say for example, this is the binary value of 10, right? And what we have given, the left shift to 2 means the all bit will be shifted to left side, and the remaining bits will be the 0. So now if you find the decimal value to this binary, it will give you the 40 as the decimal value, and this is the binary value of the 40. I hope you understand this concept. In the output you can see the bit is shifted to the left side 2, right? And now what I'm going to do is I'm just shifting the bit to the right side. So this is a bitwise right operator, bitwise shift right operator. So now all the bits will be shifted to the right side for the 2 bytes. So if you have any numeric value and convert it to the binary value, and then you can change, you can shift to the left side, and you can shift to that particular binary value to the right side also. Now let's set an output, compile the file, and when I am going to run the file, bitwise right shift equal to 2, and the binary value of 2 will be of 1 0. So we have processed number 1 left shift right, number 2 means 10 left shift right 8 will be give us the output as a 2, because all the bit will be shifted to the right side. So this is all from my side on the operators in Java, especially as a bitwise operator. So I hope you liked the video and learned the important topics of the Java. Thank you guys.